Today we're back with another Amapiano, and it looks like this. Without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to do an Amapiano dance challenge. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. So our first move is going to be, you want to just shake it off, yeah? You want to take it off, shake it off, jump, 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 or like a prep, yeah? This is first step. And then you want to use your right, and then try and make sure you are stamping on your right toe, yeah? And then you want to use your right hand, and then when you pull, your leg is going to go inside. In fact, outside with your heel. So it's going to push outside, yeah? You get it? So with your hand, when you pull your hand, your heel goes outside, but you do it at the same time. So you go one, right? And then you lean on the right. So you go one, you go two. If you don't want to go too low, you can always keep it here. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2. Perfect. Nice. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna go 1, 2. Try that one more time. So we do it twice. We go 1, 2, and then your third move, you're gonna tap, coming back, and then when you tap, you're gonna hold your leg right there. It looks like this when you're holding. Yeah, we try that one more time. So we go 1, 2, tap, hold. Perfect. Try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, there. You get it? We try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna need lemonade. Actually, no. Right? I'm gonna teach you a slide, which is the next move. So when you're holding your leg there, you're gonna put your leg there, and you wanna slide back like that, right? But we're facing this side. So when you're holding, you put your leg there, and then you slide back. You get it? Try it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our next move is you're gonna step back, and then you're gonna put your knees up and stand on your toes. So you're gonna do this, and then your hands are gonna go inside. So it's gonna look like this. Do you get it? Like this. Perfect. Now let's do it with one hand if you wanna do it with two hands. Yeah? We try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, tap there. Go back, ka, ta. Perfect. Try again in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, tap there. Go back, ka, ta. Get it? Perfect. We continue. So when you stand again normally. So after you go 1, you come back, and then you use your heel to move to your right, and then you're gonna move with your toes to the right again, and then you're gonna slide again to the right. You get it? So it's gonna look like this. Yeah. Slowly, you're gonna go 1, you go 2, you go there, and then you slide. So your leg on the left, and then you slide. This time we slide facing the left. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, we go 2, we go 3, slide. Get it? Let's try from the top in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, tap, there, slide, back, car, 1, 2, and slide. Perfect. We continue to step 2. So step 2 from the slide is you're gonna hit your leg Yeah, so when you slide, there, stand, hit your leg this side, and then you're gonna do a total turn on this side. So when you do this, make sure you are very comfortable with turning your whole like a 360 coming this side, and then you are gonna go ka, you're gonna hit here, and then you're gonna hit here. Yeah, if you can hit your leg right there. Yeah, so we try again from step 2. You go ka, 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 ta. You get it? We'll try again in 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ta, 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 ta. Perfect. And then after you go pa, pa, and then you wave inside from your head. You're gonna go up, down your chest, your stomach, and then you sit. So before you sit, sitting is like this, but you're not gonna sit. So you're gonna do your wave, and then before you sit, you wanna do your wave from the waist. We've done this. If you watch my tutorial so much, you probably can do this more. But if you can't, you swing your waist to the left, and then you swing your waist to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. So this slow motion, and then you go 1, 2, 3. You get it? Try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go there, and then 1, 2, 3. Right? We want to try and use the hands. So when you move your hip to the left, you use your right hand to dig, and then you dig, you dig. You get it? So from the wave, you go wave and dig, dig, dig. So you want to do double. So it's a 1, 2, you go ta, 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 you go ta, ta, you go ta. Perfect. That's the last move. So we're gonna try and do step 2 again. Yeah. From here we go 1, there, ta, ta. You put this one there, ka, 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 and then wave, and then you go 1, 2. You go 1, 2. You go 1, 2. You go 1, 2. Perfect. We're gonna try from the top. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, tap there. Go back, ta, 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 there, there, and then wave. Go 1, 2, 8. There you go. 1, 2, 8. Perfect. We want to try with the pace of the song. Yeah. Now we want to try it with the song. Let's go. If you watched the video until this end, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And if you want to support the channel, my PayPal is in the description. Every penny is much appreciated. With that being said, catch you on the next one. Peace.